In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to Webflow. Easiest way. We'll connect your live Google reviews to your Webflow site using a simple widget, so you can showcase social proof without touching complex code. Start by opening Webflow, so you know exactly where you'll place the reviews later. Then head to the Webflow Apps Marketplace or go directly to the Elfsight website. If you're new to Elfsight, create a free account. It only takes a moment. Inside Elfsight, explore the available widgets and choose Google Reviews. You'll see a gallery of templates. Click to create the widget for free, then continue with the default template. You can customize the design later, so for now, focus on getting it live. When prompted, select the option to add it to your website for free. Next, publish the widget within Elfsight. If you see a pricing screen or plan prompt, the free tier is typically enough to test and embed basic reviews. You can always upgrade later if you need more views or features. After publishing, open the widget in your Elfsight dashboard and find the Embed Code option. Copy the provided code to your clipboard. This code is what will render your reviews on your site, and you won't need to maintain it. Elfsight will keep the content synced from Google. Now switch back to Webflow. From your dashboard, open your project in the designer. Navigate to the page and section where you want the reviews to appear. Often just below testimonials or near your contact information works well. Add an embed element to that spot. In the code field that opens, paste the Elfsight embed code you copied earlier, then save and close. If your layout needs spacing, use a container or padding around the embed element so it blends with your design system. When you're ready, publish your Webflow site. Choose your staging domain or your custom domain and wait a few seconds for the changes to go live. Visit the live page to confirm your Google reviews are displaying correctly. If you don't see them immediately, clear your cache or do a hard refresh. Third-party widgets can take a moment to initialize. From here, you can return to Elfsight anytime to tweak the style, filter ratings, or switch layouts. Your site will update automatically without another paste. That's it. You've added Google reviews to Webflow the easy way. Create the widget, copy the embed code, paste it into an embed